In a world where beauty often shines on the outside, a small bird faced a heartbreaking challenge. Stripped of her feathers and fighting against illness, she seemed lost, but in the depths of despair, a spark of hope emerged, changing her life forever. Once vibrant and full of life, this little bird fell ill. Her feathers, which danced in the sunlight, began to fall away. With each lost feather, she seemed to fade further into the shadow. The world outside became cold and unmelting. Alone in her cage, the bird struggled. She felt vulnerable, exposed. The laughter and the chatter of the outside world became distant echoes. It was a heavy silence, filled with uncertainty. Would she ever feel whole again? Would anyone care? But just when hope seemed lost, a kind soul appeared. With gentle hands she reached him, offering a warm smile and a promise of love. This was no ordinary person. This was a devoted mom ready to fight for her new featherless friend. With patience and care, the journey of healing began. The mom provided a cozy home filled with soft blankets and plenty of food. Each day brought new challenges, but also new joys. The bird learned to trust, and slowly her spirit began to soar once more. With each passing day, the bird discovered her voice, no longer just a whisper. Her songs filled the room, echoing with happiness. The bare skin that once felt exposed was now a canvas of resilience. She sang with joy, her melodies brighter than ever. The bond between them grew stronger. The mom cheered for every little victory. The first flutter of wings, the first word from cheer. Together they created a world where love triumphed over adversity. The bird had never just found a home, she had found a family. Every toy became a new adventure, every moment a reason to celebrate. The once naked bird was transforming, not just in body, but in spirit. She no longer saw herself as broken, but as a survivor, full of life and love. And then a miracle happened. Tiny pincers of new feathers began to emerge. Each one was a testament of her strength. The beauty she thought she had lost forever was coming back, not just in appearance, but in every note she sang. With every song, she celebrated her journey. The world outside was no longer intimidating. It was filled with possibilities. She had transformed from a fragile creature into a symbol of hope and resilience. A reminder that love can heal even the deepest wounds. This story is a beautiful reminder that even in moments of despair, love can light the way. The little bird who lost her feathers found her voice, her home, and a love that knows no bounds. If this story touched your heart, spread the love. Together, we can celebrate the beauty of second chance and the power of caring for one another.